why are we different? Well, if you're the kind of person who's motivated and inspired by people making a difference in their lives, taking back control of their bodies, then this is where you should be. We've created a supportive community environment of like-minded men and women who are working together to achieve what they couldn't do on their own. We do that through safe, effective and fun small group and personal training programs in combination with expert nutrition coaching.
Love the women. We love Michelle. Great workout. We feel strong. That was really programmed well. Obviously, I love Michelle. I mean, she makes it fun. The people are great. I've learned all kinds of different ways of training.
So overall, I've lost 30 pounds. I'm at the lowest weight I've been in a very long time, and I have also lost 13% body fat. So I feel much better. I feel really different. I'm wearing jeans that really, I have actually only 2 pairs of jeans that fit me, and I'm actually very excitedly borrowed my Skinny Friends jeans, so it's really awesome.